I just got the paperwork from the Kangaroo courtroom, which was supposed to be a trial today, okay, but however, they dismissed the case on April 5th of this month.
In the interest of justice.
That's actually what the paper says. Dismissed in the interest of justice.
Yeah, right. Yeah, they expect that only a sheeple would believe that.
We're gonna go see if we can get this man's property back.
They stole my, they captured and kidnapped me for ransom and some, threw me in a dungeon behind the iron curtain where for a minute my future was uncertain and I was hurting, okay? So we're about to attempt to collect my property from these guys.
Jump up.
We got to put the X-ray machine again.
So let's Hello, good morning. Pretty good, and yourself?
Fine.
All right, we're here to collect my property, which was stolen by 4 constables, officers, working with this precinct, and they refuse to identify themselves. However, I do know the names of 2 of them.
We don't have anything to do with that.
I never said you did, ma'am. I'm here to find out information.
You know that you said that they took your property.
They didn't take, they stole my property.
What we'd like to do is...
Go ahead and get TJ.
Yes, I was going to say, if we could we get a supervisor we could speak to about the issues?
This is what I'm getting.
Right.
Appreciate that.
We understand you're just up right here doing what you got to do. It's no problem.
So we're gonna sit here and wait for whoever's gonna show up and give us the information that we need. Remember, people, never ever confide or trust in Blue ISIS in times of crisis. Never ever trust in a criminal organization that specializes in capturing and kidnapping sheeple for ransom and some. Meaning even after you pay the bail bonds, you still gotta go to court, involuntary servitude, okay? Modern day slavery, that's what it is. It's not about justice. It's all about the dollar. For profits only. Corrupt de facto kangaroo courtrooms, where they extort and exploit innocent, freeborn men and women. Welcome to the just us shitstem, because that's what it is.
Have a record.
No, we don't keep records.
I don't see him.
Yeah, go upstairs. Yeah, go on the 3rd floor and tell Kat. So see can she get him down.
And where's the property room for this precinct?
It's an agency took it.
Where I'm at right now.
The
Precinct
Harris
1.
County Constables Precinct 1.
Oh, well, the property room is on 5, but you have to get an appointment to go upstairs. On 5.
Up on 5? You mean the 5th floor?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I never.
We're trying to get somebody down here to help.
Okay. I don't know if I'm gonna have to, consent to that, because I don't consent to that, because when these road pirates robbed, kidnapped, and captured me for ransom and stole my property, I never did set up any appointment whatsoever.
Hey.
Y'all doing all right?
Hello.
Yeah, trying to round up some property.
Round up some property for what?
Your road pirates did capture and kidnap me on the 5th.
Wait a second. We're gonna have to talk English that I understand.
Okay.
Explain to me what you're talking about.
Okay, your constables. What's your name and badge number, by the way?
My name is TJ Sparkman. Badge number is 470.
Okay, and you're a supervisor?
No, I'm not a supervisor. I handle the lobby down here.
Okay.
They said y'all needed to talk to somebody.
Okay.
Go ahead with your story.
Your constables, did capture and kidnap me a while back in July, okay?
Okay, have you made a complaint on that to the department yet?
I've been here already.
This is April? Okay.
I've been to, no, not this, a long time before this. Back in like November or something, and I try to get records and I try to get information. They fail to identify themselves. However, I do know the names of.
Have you talked to the Internal Affairs Division for this?
Come on, man.
Internal Affairs, that's a joke. I don't talk to Internal Affairs. I need my property back.
Okay, I can't help you with that if you don't explain to me exactly what you're talking about.
This is what I'm doing, sir.
Okay. You're talking to the wrong person. You need to talk to the Internal Affairs if you're saying an officer has violated your rights.
I'll talk to
or
him.
has taken your property.
Part one.
May I interject for this second? Officer, what he really wants, just wants to find a way to claim the property that's in possession here. He has a dismissal slip from the court as of today signed by a judge.
Okay.
And it's also dismissed in the interest of justice, that's what it says on it. So what we'd like to do is, since the case is no longer being looked at and it's no longer needed as evidence, we'd like to have it returned.
Okay, well, what we will do, you guys have a seat, and let me go up to our ID department, and that's who we'll took your property was restored with, and then we'll go from there.
All right, thank you. Very good.
Have you got a copy of the
Dismissal?
The dismissal?
I do have it.
Okay, you go ahead and pull that out.
Yeah, I'm gonna show it to whoever I'm gonna be dealing with,
Okay,
in
well,
regards
have a
to my
seat then.
property.
Have a
All
seat.
right, I'll do just that.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, wow. Look at all these tyrants.
They call code 3 on it.
They don't like those names, do they?
Don't put a boot on somebody. Yeah, there you go. He heard everything.
He's gonna try to help y'all.
You'll have a piece of paper with the dismissal?
Yes, I do
Yeah,
have
take
a
a look
piece
at it real
of
quick.
paper. Okay, and who are you? Can you
Robert
please
Becker,
identify yourself?
32.
Okay, can you please keep a distance, because I don't trust you, you're armed and I'm not, and I fear for my life right now.
Sure.
I don't
You want to see a
trust
piece of
you guys, out here. Yes, can you please step back and give me a chance to pull it out?
You got it, go right ahead, Barry.
I don't have a weapon, you do.
That's fine, okay?
You guys specialize in capturing and kidnapping people.
All right, sir, I was gonna attempt to help.
And I'm doing it, I'm just telling you to give me some space, because I'm not
Okay,
comfortable.
all right.
These are the public servants we're dealing with out here. Look at how many goons we got out here.
Ronnie Cody, I hear you guys on the camera, right? It's crazy.
So what kind of property was taken?
My phones were stolen from me. It wasn't taken, it was stolen, because I never consented to it. I was kidnapped by your road pirates, who call themselves deputies, and they refuse to identify themselves. I know two of them. I know two of their names. And I can identify themselves, I can identify them in the lineup.
Paper somewhere too.
Is this a copy, or can we make a copy of this real quick, so I can get the district attorney's name?
That's the copy. You can look at the information, but I don't want any copies made or anything. That's all the information here. You've seen it. I just need my property back.
Okay, that's what I'm gonna try to find out.
Okay.
The district attorney's office has to give us notice about it being okay to release your property. That's unfortunately not gonna be enough. That's why I want to get the cost ever. Get the
Okay,
person.
you guys all work together. You can get that information as public records?
Okay, guys, y'all just have a seat. We'll be back with you, gentlemen.
I don't know about that. I don't know about that. He didn't seem too pleased about having to do that.
They're public servants. They work for us.
I mean, they took the stuff. It all started because,
This is what happens when you're dealing with a bunch of tyrants.
could have took a picture of that. Bring a battery charger. I didn't know we was gonna get in.
I told you. Look at that, people.
Try to ask them about the emergency while they're blocking the road. They didn't really care to hear it, I guess.
Of course, that's normally the reaction of tyrants. Corrupt criminal organization that specializes in investigating themselves when they commit egregious and heinous crimes against humanity.
No court today. No court.
So what did they say? Did they say they were gonna be able to get your property for you?
No.
I have no idea. He's looking into it, so I'm just waiting.
Okay.
They don't like the truth, but it's going to be spoken. I will not be silenced. I will not shut up. I'm going to
So you were
voice out the truth.
arrested for interference?
I was captured and kidnapped
Okay.
for interference with my own property.
Let me go ahead and take this a little bit better. All right, so what did you do? Did you record somebody and they didn't like it? Is that what happened?
That's what happened.
Oh, so you were
On
guilty
the
of
public sidewalk,
contempt of
in
cop?
public, basically contempt and retaliation.
So they retaliated you because you showed them contempt.
And they're not going to escape from my Title 42 USC 1983.
Okay.
They're going to find out what that is all about.
Do you think it's fair that thousands and thousands of Americans across the country are arrested every year because of an officer's attitude toward them?
Absolutely not.
Do you think it should happen even once a year to anybody?
Absolutely not.
What do you think an illegal arrest is akin to? Like, what other crime is it equal to? It's taking a man's freedom. What do you think that's equal to?
It's one of his violations, you can possibly imagine.
Do you think that taking a man's freedom, even for a second, is, say, equal to murder?
Close enough.
Close enough?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you think anybody who takes a man's freedom against his will with no actual justice or justification should be held accountable?
Absolutely, to the fullest extent of the law.
Okay.
Not the one in their kangaroo courts, because it's a for-profits only kangaroo courts.
So you were trying to be held accountable for holding a camera?
Basically, for exercising my unalienable protected right.
Right. Your First Amendment protected speech, right?
Absolutely. Yeah, welcome to the Just Us shitstorm.
I'm gonna switch over to phone cam for now.
Okay.
Then, when somebody comes back down, I'll go back to the HD. So, the night you were arrested, what were you told before you were arrested? What were the words said to you?
Somebody called stating my camper was suspicious, basically.
So, somebody called said that your vehicle was suspicious?
Yeah, that my camper van was suspicious.
Okay.
And the tyrant coproach who arrived on the scene, okay, when I got to the scene, he was trying to ID me and illegally search my camper van. And of course, I did not consent to it.
Were you driving at the time?
Absolutely not. I was on foot.
Were you parked on a public piece of property that was legal for you to park there?
Absolutely.
Were you committing any other crimes at the time?
No crime whatsoever.
Were you chasing after people, swearing them, and trying to scare them?
Absolutely not.
So you were just parked on a public park property,
With several other cars.
exercising your First Amendment right.
I'm confused now. Which one you're talking about?
You were exercising your First Amendment right to
No,
to record the
okay,
officers that intervened with you, right?
I thought you were talking about the first incident. No.
Oh, there's more than one incident?
The second incident is when that happened. I got off the train and I was walking down Capitol towards Maine to get on the red line. Okay, I got off the purple line to get on the red line, and I noticed 4 thugs with badges and guns capturing and kidnapping a free man from off the train. So, see something, record something. And apparently they didn't like that. So in retaliation and contempt, they captured and kidnapped me and stole my property and violated my invoked rights at the time.
So because you were recording a illegal arrest already, they went ahead and arrested you.
Absolutely. For holding them accountable.
Very American.
Yeah. Welcome to land of the thieves, home of the slaves. I was waiting for that de facto judge to try to get me for contempt of court, and he was gonna fill my rod.
Did he say he was gonna do it? Did he mention it?
Information that you need 201 Caroline, which is the civil court building. On there, you need a motion to release property. In the district attorney's office, since the case was dismissed, we'll give you that. The deputy's name at the bottom of the phone number, that's who you need to contact. She'll get you the property.
Okay, I appreciate you. What was your name again, sir?
I'm sorry?
What was your name again?
Becker.
Becker?
Becker. Yes, sir.
And what's the first name?
Robert.
Appreciate it. You have a good day. You too.
Good day.
You too.
So he actually came down, huh?
Yes, he did.
So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to go to another building?
Yeah, to 201 Caroline, which is down this way.
You have to have a motion to get your own property back.
Can you imagine that?
So
I gotta have a motion for my. I didn't have no motion when exactly. I didn't. Let's go watch the tyranny over
Play
there.
their little game still, just to bust their balls and nothing else. You know.
They didn't like
You might not get your shit back, but
They're not going to shut me up, okay?
They were so fucking pissed when I went out there and told them to move their car.
Oh yeah, you did?
I was like, what's the emergency?
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
And they just stepped through.
The sergeant told them.
All right, we're going to 201 Caroline, the courthouse, to attempt to get records about my illegal capture and
They ain't doing
kidnapping.
nothing but fun anyway.
Okay, which I've been dealing with since February 27th of 2018. So
In front of
the case just got dismissed
civil
April
courthouse, man, he
5th
was over there for
of this year.
Everybody on the park.
I've been through untold pain and suffering dealing with this bogus criminal allegations.
Alright, so which building are we headed to?
Right here. 201 Caroline.
Civil courthouse?
Yep, that's where we're going to.
We gotta go to civil courthouse. That's
To
a
go,
civil
to
courthouse.
go get records. There's all kinds of businesses in there.
In fact, is they have it right there. All they gotta do is just release it.
Well, you can't do it without a court order. You gotta get
That's
permission.
fucking
They
stupid.
gotta have a paper trail for some reason.
Can you imagine that?
It's not right, man. That's when you have another man's property illegally, you should give it fucking back. Right there, right
Exactly.
there. No
I didn't
question
file
asked.
no more. They didn't file any motion that they captured and
Hey, look at
kidnapped.
that one there. He's looking at you hard. He wants to mean mug you. Go fucking give him some love. Come on.
Look at this pig, people. Look at your tax dollars at work.
Maybe we get an interview with him. I like interviews. I really do try to like to get an interview. We're trying to get interviews for people today. Would you like to go ahead and get an interview today?
Like you're a YouTube star.
Thank y'all for checking out.
You really can't give interviews?
No,
Like, is that a policy? So I'm just curious.
we have a public.
Relations officer?
Yeah.
Are you serving and protecting right now?
Yes, I am.
You are?
That's good.
Is that body cam turned on?
It is. No, it is all right there.
Okay,
No,
only you know that.
So, okay, I understand you're saying you have public relations. The only thing but you're not allowed to express your own opinions.
Let's see, what's the patrol car number? It's de facto
I'm a
tyrant.
journalist, so I mean, like,
You guys see the tax dollars at work?
hey, let's go. Hey, that's good enough. I appreciate your professionalism and just saying, nah, that's good enough.
So let me attempt to zoom out. There you go.
Hey, listen, hey, may I get your badge number out of curiosity?
You're not going to do that to the judge. What's your name and badge number, officer?
Right here. He said it. I couldn't hear him.
Gary.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
And what's the badge number?
1 Lincoln 13.
Appreciate it.
I like the way you keep my vehicle. I like the way you keep my vehicle clean. Yeah.
I would have washed it the day before you put it on.
Oh no. Wait till they tomorrow.
Thank you for
All right, guys, let's go.
You can't be mean to everybody, man.
I wasn't mean to him. I'm just speaking the truth, and they don't like to hear the truth.
Look, let put it until they give you a reason to be mean. Try to just,
Hold on, let me get this right here. I got a reason, a year of my
He
life.
can do what he wants.
No, absolutely.
Not that I might not agree with
The
him.
reason I say that is because
Look at this. Who are they going to trespass for private property? Look at this, people.
Yeah. But if they want to get mean, we can go that route too.
Okay, so we're here at 201 Caroline. Okay, 201 Caroline. This is where we're supposed to be getting records from. So there's
Unpresentable in the court of
there's
law.
channel 13 right there. You guys see that? That's channel 13. Alright. Let's attempt to go in there. We're gonna have to take out belts and all that, shoes and
I should have worn my suspenders, my brakes. I never did go in here when they were doing my runs.
yeah. Look at that.
We going in here?
Yes, we're going in there, sir. Let me get this. We're at the civil courthouse on 201 Caroline. let's watch the
Look at all the
reactions.
marble everywhere,
Let's watch
man.
the reactions of these public servants. I'm gonna go get ready to get in line.
I want to put my shoes off again. That is annoying.
I'm sorry? And I'm gonna respectfully decline because I do not work for you guys and I don't take orders from tyrants.
I didn't hear what you said.
She's telling me to turn off my recording.
I'm not recording.
So she's not gonna allow me to get through the line because I'm exercising my First Amendment right.
I'm gonna go ahead.
Can you guys believe this? I cannot go through, sir? I'm sorry? Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that.
That's not what she said.
All right.
Okay, cool. So they're saying you just gotta put it down.
Yeah.
Hey man, I'd be careful. This stuff probably like fry the circuitry or something. I get afraid I'd lose the memory on it.
He said to put it in there.
She's trying to tell me to turn it off. I'm not gonna do that.
Oh shit, don't get too old for this shit.
You and me both, man. Hey, how you doing, Jesse?
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing great. Place is crazy. Look at all the long folks.
Go back. You gotta act on. Okay.
Can I get my property?
Hold on, baby. You gotta check your bag first, okay?
Check my bag for what? I do not consent to any illegal searches or seizures.
We have to, hold on. Hold on. Miss
That's,
Potts.
I didn't beep when I went to the thing.
You don't want nobody checking your bag. And he got a separate stick.
Yes, it's my phone. I'm not going into the courtroom.
You could have just been right over there.
Why should I stand over there? What's the reason for trying to detain me?
Over there, sir. You want admittance to our building. You want to our room.
Your rules, you guys work for the public. I don't work for you. Listen to these tyrants. They illegally detaining me. I do not consent to this, to any searches or seizures.
Do we have an issue?
Yes, you hold it. I didn't hear
Sir, what's your name and badge number, by the way?
So what are you trying to do today?
I'm trying to conduct official business. I don't consent to speaking with you guys. I don't consent. You guys can't help me. I'm going in there. I'm not going to any courtroom. I'm going in there to get records, the public records. Okay?
So why are we getting called?
I don't know. Why am I being detained?
Nobody said you detained.
That she's telling me to wait here. That's a detainment.
Nobody said, we haven't told you.
Okay, am I free to go? All right, appreciate it.
That's right on YouTube, man.
Appreciate you guys. I normally don't shake soft hands, but I appreciate you guys.
People got a trip on you.
Incredible. Land of the thieves, home of the slaves. Dealing with a bunch of tyrants. Tyrant public servants.
Thank y'all. He's the one that said we could go through.
He's the one who said that. And I went in there. There was no alarm.
Let me stop treating. Get people locked up.
There? What's the matter?
No. Anybody coming through there have to have their bags checked.
For what? I went
No,
through, it didn't beep.
Okay. First you go through the scanner, and then we hand search it.
Why?
It's not why. Okay.
Can you guys please back up, because I don't feel safe right now. You're armed and I'm not. Okay?
Hand search.
Okay, sir, can you let them search your bag, then see the search your bag?
I do not consent to searches. Why are they having to search my bags?
Just in order to come in this building, you need to let them search your bag.
I just came through the scanner, it didn't beep. I went through the election.
Also, he has the bag up for search, right?
It goes through the scanner
Hand
and
search. Yeah, it goes to the machine, and then we hand search it. If you disagree, you're welcome to leave. That's our protocol.
Is that the same kind of deal where you,
Protocol is not law, sir.
is that the same kind of deal where you open up people's wallets?
Yeah, it's the policy, sir.
Is that the same kind of deal where you gotta open up people's wallets and see what's
I mean,
in? Is that the same thing, a bag, a wallet, a purse?
This is ridiculous. Come on.
So do you consent to let them search your bag, sir?
Why me? Why me?
It's everybody.
Okay, I can take out what I think is a problem. I got coins in here. Okay, and that's
Can you
it.
do it over here, sir?
Okay, give me a second. I need to document this because I don't trust you guys. This is ridiculous, man. Please don't approach me. I don't feel safe with you guys. You got guns. I'm unarmed. You got all the weapons. You guys are unstable constables. I do not trust you guys. You're known for killing, murdering innocent people. I do not consent. Give me a second. I'm gonna go over there. I need to document this. Come on. Come on. What the hell is going on? Jesus Christ. It's acting up right now. I'm trying to get it to I don't know if it's because I'm in the building. I doubt it. That's the reason why. I don't know why it's doing this. I need to document this. You can tell them I came over there, they saw me. Look at, they got another goon out here, man. Give me a second. I need to document this. Okay, just give me a second. I'm not refusing. Can you please record this? Because my stuff is acting up right now. Yeah, please document this. I do not give a fuck.
You can ask, do you believe there's anything illegal in my bag to search it?
Do you guys believe there's anything illegal in my bag to search it?
Well,
I'm doing this under duress. I do not consent to any illegal searches or seizures on my personal property. I'm just putting you on notice. I'm doing this under duress because I'm being coerced. I'm being coerced by you tyrants. Why are you taking my property over there?
He's not going through your bag. All he's going to do is run it through the machine.
It's already been through. They can tell you. It already went through the machine.
Okay, so when he comes back, he's going to check your bag.
This is ridiculous. They searching my property without my consent, only under duress. And if anything comes up missing, you guys are going to be held liable, okay? Look at all these tyrants. Look at all these goons. Look at all these de facto kangaroo public servants.
There's your bag.
I don't take orders from none of you. You work for me, not the other way around. What's your name and badge number, by the way?
Do you have business here?
What's your name and badge number? You accosted me. I need to identify who I'm dealing with. This is ridiculous. Name and badge number, please. Badge number, sir. You're not going to identify yourself, D. Williams?
Where are you headed to?
I don't need to tell you my business.
We're trying to help you find it.
I don't need your assistance. I'm going to find it myself. I know where I'm going.
Okay.
You're failing to identify yourself? Is that what you're going to tell the judge? What's your name and badge number? Appreciate it. What's your name and badge number? What's your name and badge number?
Thank you, sir.
What's your name and badge number? Failure to identify. Look, this is the public servant in America. What's your name and badge number, sir?
You can see my name.
Is that what you're going to tell the judge?
Sir, I'm currently illiterate.
Did you take an oath to the Constitution?
I don't have to answer.
You don't have to answer?
I don't have to answer.
You're a de facto wordless public servant. That's what the fuck you are, okay?
Hey.
That's what you are. That's what you are. Freedom of speech. Freedom of expression. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Okay? Look at these sirens, people. Look at these sirens. They're impeding me from conducting my business. We're at 201 Caroline, and they got all these goons out here surrounding me. Look at all this. Look at all this. Look at all these people. Last time I checked, we are not in Nazi Germany, okay? You're a tyrant, that's what you are.
You're telling me not to
A worthless tyrant.
with disorderly conduct.
I don't want to be on your video.
You're not going to be on my video. Don't worry about that. It's ridiculous.
Are they gonna let you take care of your business?
I'm about to go in here. I'm waiting for him.
Is this where you gotta go?
Yes. This is crazy. Look at all these goons searching illegally, violating their oath. Okay? Look at these fuckers. It's ridiculous. Look at all the tyrants who illegally search people without your consent. Look at all of that. Sir, I don't consent to speaking with you. Just leave me alone, okay? Leave me alone. You're not on my video. Mind your business. Mind your business, okay? You walk in my camera and you're gonna give me orders? Just leave me alone. Ridiculous. Look at this sheeple. Hey, I don't. It's ridiculous.
He said supposed to show respect for people. And
When they come in front of my
yeah,
camera,
they come up front of your camera. Because
to
his
try to
wife
give
don't,
me
his
orders
wife don't
about
want
what I can do and not do in
And
public.
he said it's okay if we record them, but show respect
There's
for
no
the people.
expectation of privacy in public. Okay,
Go stand in the bathroom.
you don't want to be in my camera. Don't get close to me. Stay away from me. I'm not gonna follow you. Well, I don't know what he's doing. I'm waiting on him so we can go in there.
They said about the word fuck. They said that's what we was going about free speech about the word fuck.
They don't
you
know.
will get arrested.
They do not know.
I was going to tell them you need to go look at Eric Brand on TV.
They need to check Houston v. Hill. Okay, that deals specifically with that. You have the right to say whatever the heck you want to say. They don't control how you speak. Who do they work for? These are the public servants. It's okay, man. You know, maybe another time. All right, brother, you ready?
Are you ready to go on up to?
I'm going in here. This is where.
Right here?
Yeah. Going in.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes, ma'am. I'm here to collect public records. I mean, try to attempt to get my property. I'm sorry?
10-2. Month 10 day.
Property? Okay, and I also need some records. Hang on a second. Let me try.
Okay, this is not me. This is not me. Addison, this is not me, Addison. This is for Miles. Yeah, that's for Miles. That's not it. My baby is James.
This. Listen to someone worried about being recorded. You should consider employment in a private sector. There's no expectation of privacy in public. I need all the warrants associated with that case. Okay. I need.
Didn't they tell you need a subpoena for?
No. I need the warrants associated with that case, and I need all the records, all the public records associated with that case, please.
Crazy when a man said, I don't want to be married no more. I don't want to take care of grown folks. But just now.
Listen to this public servant refusing to serve me because I'm recording.
Did what paper did they say you needed to request? What was it they say you needed to request? It was a motion. Did you ask for this already? A motion to release property? Because
I'll ask for that, and I also need all the public records of the hearing file.
this is what we need more than anything today. Don't get me wrong, public records are important, but before we get them hung up on that shit, let's get them on this, because we want your property.
I'm waiting.
So ask for that specifically.
See the behavior of the public servant?
They just don't know any better. That's all.
I know.
You know. Yeah. We all know we can do it, but they just unaware of it. It's okay.
It's incredible, and if you look at all the cameras on the roof.
Oh yeah.
Look at how many cameras they got on the roof. Look at all the cameras, people. All the cameras on the roof. And they're worried about my camera.
Cameras can be intimidating, man.
That's incredible. My Streamlabs was acting up, so I had to switch to YouTube Live. Look at that goon still attempting to stall.
Are you live streaming right now?
Yes, I'm live streaming.
Okay. I was just curious.
Always when dealing with these road pirates.
Man, see, I don't like to live stream because, like, it looks so fuzzy. I like mine crisp and clear, you know? I like it to come out.
I know, but my thing is, from my experience, after they kidnapped me and snatched my camera, if I was live streaming, I'll still have the video till today. Because I was not live streaming, you know what I mean? I couldn't, upload that video. It's still on those phones.
Where is an outlet around here?
I don't know if they have one.
I was looking for an outlet, man. I can't find one. I want to charge my battery.
Yeah. I don't know if they have one. Did you look against this wall?
Yeah, no, there's no there.
Okay.
Okay, all right, thank you.
The documents are $1 a page.
I'm sorry?
The documents are $1 a page.
$1 a page? I'm not paying for those documents, ma'am. The courts determined I'm an indigent. They've extorted and exploited me enough.
Hey, just ask for the release right now.
Can I get the release of my property? First of all,
you need to file. What did the paper say? What paper are you gonna ask for?
This. Can I get this?
Can
I get that back?
Excuse me, man. He would like to. The main thing he wants to get is a motion to release property. Yes, ma'am.
They're probably gonna attempt to charge me for that as well.
That should be free. That's not a document.
Well,
that should be a taxpayer free. That should be free. It's just paper.
These documents are entitled to me as well. Okay?
All right. Now, the problem with the motion is it's got to go see a judge, bro. I'm pretty sure. We'll see.
What? She's hiding?
Yeah, she's hiding right
She's
there.
hiding
Right
back
behind
there,
the wall.
refusing to
I
serve
walked up
people.
to the wall, she ran around behind me.
That's okay.
I need paperwork.
These are waived. You say you have an indigent?
Yes. We'll call this on me.
You don't go sideways with it?
It wasn't. Yeah, sideways is not doing it right.
Over here.
Says you can't do it.
Where the line at? I didn't know, because I'm lost. Okay. You got this paper right here. Oh, well, that's what you got this records for work. I don't, ma'am, feel nothing. I'm
James Barta, I hope you are subscribed to me.
I need. She said I needed charging instruments, judgment, and order showing it completed.
Okay, so you need a copy of those documents?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Sir, can we help you?
I know my spin number I need. I need, charging instruments, judgment, and, okay, give me a second. I have my case number, can I need that? Okay, 1-8.
Please forgive me for my shakiness. This is External Affairs holding the camera right now, and I'm not always the best at holding things, but I'm trying.
I don't know who I.
Yes, ma'am.
You know, it's in a criminal case, but they make you file it under civil. So. Right. But I don't see why. I can't find like an explanation for why.
Should be in the rejection, it should be.
Yeah, I can't see it.
Cannot.
Correct. If I can see it.
Which one? That one? Oh, that one right there?
Good morning.
Hey, how you doing, man?
I'm good. How are you?
Oh, shoot. Hey.
I'm the district clerk. May I help you?
You can help. That gentleman right there, we're here for him.
Okay. What's the issue?
He is trying to... Hold on. Right now, he's trying to get some property released. He had a case dismissed, and the reason for dismissal was in what was it? In something in justice, in the name of justice, basically. And so we went on over to the constable's office to get it, but they said that we need to file a motion to release property, and that's what we're here for.
Okay, may I see your petition?
We haven't got it yet.
I can't find it, but it should be on the record.
That's what we're here for. Is he's going to ask for the motion to release property, and I guess he's going to fill it out, and then from there we're going to go ahead and.
Are you looking for a form or an actual motion that's been filed?
I don't know what we're looking for. I know what the constables sent us over here for. They said go over there, ask for a motion to release property, and we said we'd come over here and do it. That's what we're currently doing. So beyond that, we don't know what we have to do.
All of that should be on the record. Why don't I assist you? Okay?
We love assistance.
Okay. Because.
But I'll be honest. Remember, this isn't for me. It's for this gentleman. It's his property. So, but he's not as good at talking with. Yeah.
Okay.
We're friends, so I just want you to know I can help best way.
My only question is, we were wondering why you were filming.
Oh yeah, no, we just love expressing our First Amendment to free speech.
And that's fine.
Yeah.
Interaction.
Document. Yeah, we like to know.
You know.
Yeah,
so
that's
anyway.
it.
Maybe some of our clerks.
Yeah, and
Y'all not used to it. Y'all going to.
So, but anyway.
No, we're not here to harm anybody or anything. It's just for documentation purposes and for freedom of expression.
So do you have a case number on what he's looking for? Okay.
We were trying to verify if he was
The court determined that it should be on the record.
Oh man, I flipped the camera somehow.
This is the district clerk right here, and we're here to give you personal assistance.
Yeah, they're actually.
Okay, why you guys giving me personal assistance? I never asked for one.
We're trying to help you.
Because they call for backup, huh?
No.
Okay.
Just the filming made them a little uncomfortable.
Look at all these cameras in here. Nobody's worried about that. I record all my encounters with public servants. Why are they freaking out? This is not a bomb. I'm here to harm no one.
I appreciate that. It's just not what they're used to, so they were
Well,
concerned, so we came down to
you know, they're not aware of what I'm used to either.
Hey, do you
Are
got
they?
that dismissal paper?
She is there with her.
They got the dismissal paper? Okay. Oh, wasn't it in the name of justice? Is that what they said?
I believe so.
They're preparing your documents.
Okay.
And they have to verify everything themselves.
I'm here waiting. They should go ahead and do what they got to do.
It's gonna take a few minutes because you want copies of it.
That's fine. That's fine.
So it's gonna take us a while.
That's fine. That's fine.
Okay?
Yeah.
So,
After we get this.
And I need my property.
Is it a petition? I forget what I said.
A motion or
motion
something like
after
it's
we
on
get-
there.
What do we have to do with it then?
okay, now that's where we have an issue because we're not lawyers. We
Right.
can't tell you what to
Okay.
do.
Well,
But
it's
she's going to give you every document that you requested.
We're gonna go ahead and try to do this, but we're gonna ask you to just have a seat
because we gotta certify all the back of the documents.
Okay.
So it's gonna take us a little while.
Okay, what's an estimate amount of time?
At least 30 minutes.
Are we gonna turn it into
Okay, no problem, I'll wait.
or do we just hold it and pray it comes in, or like what do we do
I'll
with the
just sit
paperwork?
over here.
The man's trying to get his property back.
There's no expectation of privacy in public. Don't worry about my camera, I won't worry about you. You engaged me, I didn't engage you. I didn't say anything to you. Look at all the cameras on the ceiling, why are you not worried about them? I'm not talking to you, ma'am. Look at people reacting towards this. That's gonna be that's gonna be assault and battery. Okay, all right. This is ridiculous. They call for backup just to give me documents I'm entitled to and my private property. Now I have to file a motion for the release of my property, which I never had to when they first did it.
Because we hold the official record, and they're going to give you the entire file, in which we normally charge X amount of money per page for a certified copy. You filed a motion of indigency, which the court has approved, and they're certifying all of these, and they will put a certified stamp on the back of every one because everything is digital. Okay. Once they do that, they will hand that to you because that's what you requested, and that's what we have done for you. Okay. Where you go with that after that becomes a legal question that I can't get into. Okay. Okay. I don't even know why he needs the papers. Yeah. You see.
That's personal. I'm not going to get into that, but I need them for my personal purpose. The public property. I mean, it's personal property, and they're public records, and I'm entitled to public records. And I appreciate that. Yeah, why would I have to file a motion to get my property?
Thank you very much. I guess that's what we're gonna have to do. All right. Just one more thing. So, I just want to make sure that I understood this. You said that we're getting these files. That means they've already been filed. Like this motion to release property, they've already been filed.
So, if for instance someone comes in and files a lawsuit, which I am just assuming from what you have told me was against this property for some reason or another.
It was stolen property. I did not consent to giving my property.
Let me listen. I just want to hear what this means.
Sure.
Okay. So a lawsuit got filed.
Well,
So we have the papers.
they're calling more goons. Look at that.
The lawsuit is
What's that?
Saying we were getting compensated.
Yeah, I'm waiting on my documents.
so prosecutors can
That's a lie. We got it all on camera.
Well, no, I mean they were making it sound like we were gonna get the form, fill it out, file it, and somehow it was gonna go to a judge, and then it was gonna get approved, and then it was gonna be that's why I was asking when you said it's already filed if we have a copy of it. So that's why I was asking.
The only thing we're getting him
You're getting the air treatment, huh?
I'm telling you, it's ridiculous for public records.
I didn't get that. You want to try that again, sir? Hi, Mom. There you go. I can't say
What to do with it.
Try to make me look right now. Camera
I
ads, 5, 10,
I just wanted to understand exactly what that paperwork is going to be about. That's all. All right.
it's going to be the entire file.
Nice.
And actually, you can go to hcdistrict.com and pull up the file and look at the whole thing.
Oh, really? It's actually on there.
You could actually print it out.
Hey, did you hear that?
Yeah, I have no idea why your coworkers are acting a fool and calling for backup. Because we're just waiting to be served. That's all there is. But they got all the cops. I know, but she's calling for backup. She's calling for the goons to come capture and kidnap people. Talking about disorderly conduct.
Yeah, they said we was instigating.
Talking about being confrontational. When they approached us, we didn't approach them.
Went out there and
I know.
It's funny. Somebody yells at you, and you're the one that's guilty.
Exactly.
Somebody yells at you, and you're the one getting in trouble.
That's right.
Oh, okay.
I didn't give you permission to record me. I love that, man. I love it when people say that.
Should have brought my sign.
It's ridiculous, man.
Don't you love that when they say, I didn't give you permission to record me? Like
He's the best. The guy who said hello, he's the best. He's not acting strange because of cameras. There are cameras everywhere. Did you capture all the cameras? Look at the cameras on the ceiling.
Trust me, I got them all.
Yeah, I mean, when he said he's not freaking out because of cameras, everybody else is. I know she was. She came and, you know, they radioed for backup and she came to try to address me. I know.
So basically what they're saying is we're going to get these files and we should be...
Yeah, and I'm not paying for them.
No, you're not going to have to pay. Well, we're going to be able to go back to the
I guess
constables.
that's it. Yeah.
And hopefully be able to turn a copy in with them and get your paperwork. Oh yeah, absolutely.
So, related to civil, but criminally filed in civil.
Look at her blocking her face.
No, you gotta file those in civil.
You know, I got no...
So from here I can go upstairs and collect my property? I said from here I can go upstairs and collect my property, which they have.
I don't know, well, that I don't know, but you certainly can have paperwork.
They look. This is what they said.
From when I spoke to that guy, let's look at it, and I think we're going to be going on back over to the constable's office.
Really?
So let's look at it because
Okay.
these ladies here, they're not going to know exactly what to do with it. Okay?
Okay.
They're just.
Well, this is what he said. You see. That we should come here. Motion to release property. Case dismissed. Deputy Gomez.
Right. Yeah, and that's what we've done. We come here.
Yeah.
We're getting the paperwork. So now we should be able to take that paperwork over there,
Okay.
file it with them, and get your
You
stuff.
mean the motion to release property?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
So what is your address? We need it for your receipt.
I have no address after what they did to me.
You're homeless?
I'm homeless.
He's homeless.
Well, I didn't have a case number, I have a case number in the criminal case, but not...
Why did they need my address? I'm right here. I'm right here. I have no more address after what they did to me.
Oh, wait, I was going to say that, then I just realized you're live. I was going to say give them my address, but then I was like, oh, wait, no, it's probably a bad idea.
Yeah.
Man, you've been very professional. I want to thank you.
I appreciate you not freaking out like some of the other public servants.
You're just doing your job. Good job. Everybody else I don't know about.
That's right. They don't worry about us. We're not going to worry about them.
I might be able to clip it down into something today. I don't
I
know.
appreciate your professionalism, ma'am.
Oh, no problem.
See, I didn't file it.
This is how I expect all public servants to act.
Off the top of my motion, because it was a new civil file.
Not call the slave patrol on me to come capture and kidnap me for a victimless crime of demanding records, which I'm entitled to as a member of the public, and it's public records.
All right, thank you. That's okay.
Take accountability of public service. Some of them scared.
Next in line for criminal. Sir, just have a seat.
I want you to remember this, man. All we're out here doing is so important to have the backing of the public.
Absolutely.
So we have to try to keep the public on our side. Okay? So.
And I appreciate you. I love you guys for being
I'm here to back you up, man.
Can you imagine if I was here by myself?
I can see you fucking getting a little too fucking crazy. Not anything illegal. That's not what I'm saying.
I have the right.
But I'm
every
saying
single
that's
right.
what I'm saying.
Yes.
But it may fucking. It won't put the public on your side, though. You know what I mean? And we need the public's backing.
I've been through the experience, single-handedly. The public wasn't there with me.
No, absolutely.
Okay.
But now
I've endured what I've endured.
Now we're trying to make what happened. So we want the public to know.
Sure.
We want them to back it. And the best way to do that is with proper civil disobedience. You know.
When you're nice to me,
But you are absolutely right. If you wanted to sit here and cuss everybody in the world out, you can do that, but you won't have the backing of everybody. That's the problem. But yeah, you're absolutely within your rights to do it. I support you 100% if you want to.
They're ignorant of the law.
Thank you. How you doing?
But I'm just saying that like I don't want you to. I just want you to make sure you're thinking about what you're saying. That's all. You know, and who does this person deserve it or not? You know, that type of thing. That's all.
Of course. See, I didn't act. You know what I mean? I didn't act in such a way with her.
Ain't nothing wrong with holding people accountable and saying what you want to say.
Okay.
Oh, excuse me. Sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, those are your copies.
Okay, it's got all the warrants, all the.
All public records.
Okay, I appreciate you guys very much. You have a wonderful day.
Well, you got some artillery now, don't
Yes.
you?
Hold on to this one.
Okay. Let's first things first. Pull up the motion to release personal property. Do you mind if? Because you may have some information on here. Do you want to redact it or what?
Yes.
Or is everything on your cool? Okay. I was gonna say then. You know you're live. Don't put your stuff.
The motion to release property is here as well? Yes. Did you guys put that here? Or
Yeah, that was the most important thing.
That wouldn't be in your, yeah, they have to produce that paper.
Yeah, that's what I mean. That's
They-
what we're
they have
really
to-
here for more than
they
the
have to
records.
produce.
Don't get me wrong, the records are important, but we really want the motion to release property.
They have to make a public record.
You got your dismissal paper?
They got the information.
Yeah. If you show them the dismissal paper, that'll be it.
Mr. Randolph, do you know when the motion for release was submitted?
It was submitted on April 5th
April 5th
of this month. This month.
This one isn't even in there.
What, the motion to release property? So you've already
No,
done it?
motion to dismiss. Oh,
She said,
here it is.
She's asking about the motion to release.
That's what he said.
Oh, I need the motion to release property, please. A motion to release property? That's the document I need.
If it's part of the documentation that we have, it would be in your packet, but.
Okay. Well, so yeah, that's the problem is,
Because we just
as
came
far
from-
as we know, there is no motion. We want to make a motion to release. Okay. Yeah, that's what we'd like to do.
The motions?
Do you have your motion?
No, you would have to submit everything to us. We don't have documents.
So how does a normal person go about getting their property?
So I'll have to draft the motion?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But what does that entail? Like, because I don't know
The
anything
form?
about motions or
We're
anything.
not attorneys.
they,
So do you know? Do y'all have any idea how a person
Just have
goes
to
about getting their
Google.
property from the police?
No, sir, all we have down here is the documents off of the case.
That's okay. I appreciate you guys very much.
Constable sent us over here.
Yeah,
The reason we're
They
here.
said go over there and get a motion to release property.
Well,
So,
it's not where you get it. You
so blame them, not us.
have to drive your own.
Think about it. The man was taken to jail. They said, oh, we don't have a case, dismissed it, and now he's just trying to get his property back. Look what we got to go through to do it. Isn't this kind of crazy?
It is.
All right, ladies, y'all have a good day.
Well, at least you got your paperwork.
Yes,
I love getting public to say
You guys enjoy your day.
Have a good day.
Okay, Carly. Dude, we've got to get you a motion. They said they'll take it. We can write it out on a piece of paper if we want.
May I ask a question?
Wait, yes, sir.
May I ask a question?
Yes, and
Okay, wait,
I made this
I think I
answer.
can help you.
Yes.
I went and looked at your case.
Okay,
So, you were arrested, is that correct?
correct. I was captured and kidnapped. That's what happened.
His version.
I understand.
Yes, he was right.
Okay, and did they take something from
Yes, they stole my phones, and that's
you?
what I need.
Okay. And the criminal case has been dismissed, is
Yes,
that
sir.
correct?
As of today.
No, not today. The
Oh,
fifth.
okay.
This is what you need. You need a letter of disposition from the district clerk's office. When you were talking about property, I was thinking like a house or something like that. I just went and read the file.
Okay.
To see. What you need is a letter of disposition from the district clerk's office.
Okay.
Then you will take that letter of disposition to the arresting agency and they will release your property.
Okay, when you say a letter of disposition, do you
That
mean?
means it will tell the arresting agency, this case is dismissed.
We actually took them the paperwork from the court today that says dismissed, and they said we can't help
But
you.
that's
And they
not
said
a letter of disposition.
Okay,
A letter of disposition is from our office that says the case is dismissed.
How can we go about getting that?
Appreciate you, sir.
This is a good man. This is a good man.
Look at the public servants are still worried about us. They're running away. Tim, they're running away.
Mayor is helping us out a lot, actually. He's actually going to help us out because we'd be confused on how to do this. This is a letter of disposition here?
Okay.
It's certified. This certificate is issued under seal, certifying that the information contained herein is true, the correct statement. There was a charge. It is a certificate of disposition. And it says, deferred adjudication, it's been terminated, and therefore we're telling the court there's no need to, I'm telling the agency there's no need to keep
Excellent,
evidence.
so we can take
Thank
this.
you so
Now,
much.
what the constable may require, and I don't know that he will, the constable may require, some agencies do, a release from the judge, which is an actual letter from the judge.
Okay.
That says you can now return. Now that,
They make it so hard.
but I'm not sure that that's what will be required in the constable's office. It is required where guns are involved.
Okay. Well,
You
we'll
know,
go ahead. We'll give this one a shot.
So,
There are no guns
now
involved.
the question comes, are they, you doing good?
This man's actually trying to help us.
This man's very helpful.
This is a good person that
Public
works for the
servant.
public. He's actually here to try to help because obviously we're stuck in a gray situation here where the case wasn't legit and yet the state still
They
holds on to
put
the
me through
property.
hell.
The state is
over
still
here.
holding the property. The case is not legit and yet they're still holding it, which is putting you in a gray area because how do you get that back?
And this is what they did. They attempted to make me sign for the rest of my property as if those two were in there, but they pulled this out.
Go to the constable's office. If this doesn't satisfy it,
Take the next step.
well, whether it's the Houston Police Department or
Harris County.
Pasadena or a constable or the sheriff, each of those departments have their own policies about how they return property.
Right.
They cannot return property that was taken in an arrest until the case is disposed of. So this case has been disposed of. In some instances, some agencies require an order from the judge, a specific order that says release this property back to the defendant. Normally that's with guns, but it doesn't have to be, because it's up to whoever the elected official is, the constable. I assume it's Constable
Yeah,
Rosen?
constable.
Is it Constable
Yeah,
Rosen's
precinct 1.
office?
Precinct
Okay.
1.
Yes, sir.
So I'm just assuming that you're trying to recover your phones that were taken from you at the time of your arrest.
Yes, sir.
And so therefore, this should do it, but if they require an actual order from the judge that says return the property to him,
Right.
they do that. I know almost every law enforcement agency does that if it's a gun.
Okay.
I don't know about this.
Now, just in case this doesn't work, because we're going to go try it, and what should we do then?
Okay, if they require an actual order from the judge, then you're going to have to approach that court and talk to the court coordinator to ask the judge.
Okay.
Okay.
Excellent.
Okay.
Well,
Thank you
kids,
very
we
much,
really
sir.
do appreciate your help today.
Yes,
Thank you
the
so much.
public is going to appreciate you for your professionalism and all the
Yeah,
assistance.
we're always here to serve you.
Thank
Yes,
you. So much.
unfortunately, not all public
Had I
servants are like
known
that.
what it really
What
was,
kind of property?
we could have cut the whole chase. Once I saw what it was, I immediately knew what to do.
Thank you so much.
Thank
sir.
you so much, sir. All right.
That's pretty good, man. What's on this? Come behind you. Awesome. Stop here so I get the film. But yeah, that was actually really good of him to do. That was awesome.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Y'all ready to go on over to constable's office now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Constables, let's go constables. Let's go check them out.
All right. These are all the goons out here. Look at this. Slave patrol, slave catchers. Got 'em. They don't like me. And that's okay.
Got a whole ton. It's not about being right. It's about doing what's right.
Well, I didn't do anything illegal in there.
That's right.
Look at a road pirate blocking the street. Look at this road pirate illegally parked. Okay, blocking the street. I don't see any emergency.
Oh, he's over there. They were trying to say you can't say swear words. I'm like, nah, man, that's not right.
If you look at Houston v. Hill, you would see that case was ruled. You have the right to express yourself. However, if you can't say swear words, then that will be a violation of the First Amendment.
Like I said,
freedom of speech, freedom of expression.
The First Amendment isn't protect popular speech.
Look at this. Look at this road pirate illegally parked.
Hell yeah,
if you and me did that, okay, we're gonna get our property stolen, okay, towed, probably captured and kidnapped. Look at this. It's crazy. What's the patrol car number?
You can see the number. What? License plate is
Can you zoom in on that?
108-6973.
Okay, 108-6973 is the license plate number of this road pirate tyrant right here.
Well, I can't believe that lady wanted to jump all over me. No happiness today, guys. No happiness. We gotta behave our lives. We love you, bro. Don't worry.
What's his problem?
I don't know. He hates life. Some people do, man.
You don't like it? Well, get out of the way. Going somewhere.
Go crawl into bed.
You're not going after him. He sees you in public and is trying to bark out orders about what you can do and what you can't do.
Oh man, the other day I almost got jumped by 5 guys. It was fucking horrible.
Man, I appreciate you guys coming out and being out here. Can you imagine if I was by myself in there?
Yeah, that wouldn't happen. I'll be honest, man. You got a mouth on you, bro. And there's nothing wrong with it, but it's gonna get you in trouble.
See,
you got the Eric Brandt treatment.
Man.
Like Eric Brandt gets all the VIP.
Oh yeah,
man.
well Eric Brandt speaks his fucking mind.
I would speak my mind.
He takes care of business.
Yeah.
You know, if they get stupid, he gets.
Let's be legal about what we do here, guys. No caution, no illegal.
Yeah.
They're itching.
Oh, they're itching for something.
They're trigger happy. So we going back right here, right?
Make sure we do everything legit.
Yeah, I walked in front of that building by myself one day.
The heck? Can you hang on to this for me for a second? And this as well. There's something to mess around.
We'll go ahead and I guess probably try to get a hold of that one officer you spoke to, maybe. You got that piece of paper with that guy's name on it?
Oh, they know who we are by now. You know, it seemed like they would streamline.
Deputy Gomez?
Seemed like they would streamline the process, but no, they can't do
That's
that.
the parking guy right there, man.
Deputy Gomez? Okay, alright. Pull this, if you don't mind. Hold on.
Oh wait, I wanna use my actual camera here. Be back. Hey, don't run off!
All right. Thank you, sir.
He's a good guy.
Okay, I'll call the young lady. How are you? You're fine, young lady. Let me see your document.
They told us that should work for everything except the fire alarm.
Everything but the fire alarm? Okay.
That's what he said. I swear.
All right. Let me call up there. I'm gonna get somebody to come down here.
All
and
right.
visit with you.
Thank you.
Okay. Morning, ladies.
My man, you just made my day. See that?
Why? Why was that
You
so
see,
great?
said that should work for everything except the fire. Oh man.
Go get your property today, bro. Along with all 3,000
It's about time.
documents.
It's about time.
It's ridiculous how hard it's been to get your property.
I'm telling you, all what you have to go through
It shouldn't have to be
for
that
something
way.
you never consented for.
There's no reason for it.
No, I've never had that chicken sandwich. It's good.
We're back at 3201 Preston, the Harris County next courthouse. Precinct 1, Judge David M. Petronella.
Hey, can you hold this for just a second? Just for a moment. I got it.
All right.
So.
But, that chicken, that grilled chicken.
You're welcome.
You still alive?
Oh,
Yes, sir.
How many people you got watching?
Gosh, I can't. 1, 2,
Two's good.
3. Well, like 4. I mean, I don't care. I'm now doing it on Facebook. Here comes this same guy. He's following us around.
You keep finding this guy.
Jesus Christ, what is going on?
So you ain't had the chicken one?
No.
Maybe that's like too much bigger.
Oh.
You guys see all the goons? They keep stalking us.
The whole sandwich.
I'm not doing this recording. Your camera turn on. I'm not coming on this thing, are you?
You're fine, ma'am. Don't worry about us. Don't worry about us.
You look pretty, don't worry.
You are pretty.
Try to give her a compliment. Everybody likes compliments, right? Everybody wants to feel pretty.
She is.
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
We've been stalked by this coproach right here. We just came from 201 Caroline to 1302, I believe, Preston. And the same slave patrol catcher is stalking us.
Oh yeah, man. People walking around with cameras is dangerous.
I'm telling you. Just look at the ceiling. How many cameras do we have in here? Yet public servants freak out when they see cameras.
Because they're hiding from them.
Same.
Hey, George.
Bye.
Hey, they'll be down here in just a second, guys.
All right, thank you, sir. Wow, it's incredible. Public servants. They actually stalking us, worried about being recorded.
If you don't get away from me, Preston, hey, I can handle you, Preston. And he's looking at you.
And you heard what the deputy said to her?
Oh yeah, no,
He shut her down real quick.
They think anybody who's exercising their rights want trouble.
We know it.
She's hoping we'll get captured and kidnapped.
Good looking, man. I wish she would have came up and tried talking to me. I would have hollered at her. For real, I would have been, man, I'd been taking her home every night.
Hell yeah.
She was good looking, dude.
Yes, she was.
I like a good looking girl.
Looking like his dad.
I'm good, bud. You all right? Hey, that look no good. Right. Hey. I got a car on the Mississippi State. Mail it. Gotcha. Yes, ma'am.
I've been to hell and back, man. Their threats and intimidation.
So why do you keep it turned up? Why don't you do the side?
Because if I do it, remember you tried doing it in there and it stopped.
Sir, sir, I need to sit down.
Oh, yes, ma'am, sure, I will happily let you sit down. Be my guest. There you are, no problem. No, but what I was saying was, no, why don't you start the stream like that? Why don't you start it?
Streamlabs was acting up in there. Once they started getting confrontational, Streamlabs just kind of froze up and I had to switch to.
Isn't that horrible how it does
Yes.
like the most
Hey guys, show your paperwork here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And what's your name and badge number, ma'am?
I need to see the paperwork.
I'm going to show you. I need to know who I'm dealing with here.
My name is Deputy Gomez. Give me the paperwork so I can.
Look
give
at
you your
this
stuff.
tyrant,
I
really?
don't need to look at the. Please.
Okay, I haven't given it to you yet.
Okay.
Wait for me to give it to
Whenever
you.
you're ready, I'll be right over here and you can give me the paperwork.
You could talk to
Look at her attitude. Look at the public servant's attitude.
I'd like to have a conversation with you, you know, this guy, the girl.
You didn't act like that. Why is she acting like that?
Let me see your paperwork.
And I was going to give it to her. She came right in my bubble.
You want to give me the
She
paperwork?
came right in my
I'll give it to
bubble.
her. Do you want to hand me the paperwork? And
I don't trust.
You know who I am. You know who I am.
Here
Let
you go,
me
sir.
show her the paperwork. You can film it. That's fine.
It's ridiculous. Tyrants everywhere. And she's armed and dangerous. They stole my property and now I gotta go through all kinds of hoops just to collect what's due to me.
Okay, guys, your arresting officer evidently was HPD.
No, it wasn't HPD.
It's got an HPD case
Okay,
number.
right, that's
Explain
different.
that part to me. Okay.
That's a totally different case, okay? 4 of your guys captured and kidnapped me for ransom and some, and they stole my property, and I need my property back.
Wait a second. Now, this
They
case number here is not in reference to what you're talking about.
Okay.
Is that what you're
and that's
saying?
fine.
Okay. We need.
Well,
was
I-
a case done on you on the other?
No, there was no case. There was no case number whatsoever. I don't know. They apparently tried to sweep it underneath the rug, but they still got my property. I have the arrest records. You know, it's all public records. Okay, I was arrested.
How much, Luke?
I was arrested and they falsified the records. They refused to identify themselves. However, I do know 2 of their names. Jay Salinas and Jay Barthy, a canine officer.
Okay.
With precinct 1.
Okay.
Okay. That's totally different from HPD.
Okay. This will not get you back that property. Okay. What she's trying to say is this is a HPD case.
Okay.
Did they take your property?
Yes, they did. That's why I'm here.
No. I'm not talking about our officers. Did the HPD officers take their property?
Yes, and that's different.
Okay.
That's why I haven't
You got
gone
their
there
property
yet.
back?
No, I have not.
That's what you're going to need to get that property back.
Okay.
Okay, over there.
Right.
Now, as far as the other on there, give me a date. Give me an arrest time.
Okay, it was, I believe, the 26th of July.
26th of July. Okay.
Yes.
Roughly what time? Roughly.
About 11 a.m.
Okay.
Because I was on my way to court and they prevented me from going to court.
What was the location?
This was on Capitol in Maine.
Capitol, Maine.
At the corner of the Flying Saucer.
Okay. Hang on.
And there are cameras all
Hang
over.
on. Let me write it down so we don't get jumbled here.
This mine's running
That's
1,000
okay.
miles an hour, can't you tell?
That's okay. We'll get there. Capitol in Maine, right?
Correct.
27th of June.
No, 26th of July, I believe.
July. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. All right, have a seat. Let me see if I can get somebody to come down here and help you with that.
They falsified the records, though. I'm just letting you know, sir. They falsified the records. Okay?
Okay, now.
For, precinct 1, is it here?
Yes.
We're dealing with all kinds of tyrants.
You see the butt on that girl? Oh my God.
Yeah. She's got me heated up right now, so.
She got me heated up and not in a bad way.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's
She trying to, you see what they do?
Yeah,
I didn't give that to her. She came into my personal space with all the guns and bombs.
much. I mean, like, look, yet, I will say she was like, give me that paper, that's wrong. But she was just trying to get
He didn't do that to me. I gave it willingly to him.
She had attitude. Ain't no doubt about it.
She gave it to me like that.
Yeah, no, there was attitude. That's why I was trying to calm her down. Let her know how good looking she was. She deserves to be treated right.
Fucking tyrant.
Thirsty, man. Kind of looking at those sodas. White beard up.
Can you imagine they try to get an address for me down there? For what? When I'm here in person, when I was there in person? Just to give what I'm entitled to.
Yep.
What is due to me.
You know, it's kind of strange. You know, how do you have... Why do you make it so difficult to get somebody's property back if the whole arrest was wrong in the first place?
It's okay. They're going to learn the hard way. They're going to find out. They've forgotten who they work for.
I need some drink. I'm going to have to get some water after this. Oh, I forgot I had milk with me. I don't need water. I got milk.
Can I see that piece of paper again? I want to get your name off of it so we can research it to see what we're dealing with here. Pronounce your last name for me.
I'm not gonna do that. You can get my name there, like you said
Okay,
you're gonna.
that's fine. We don't need to talk anymore.
Thank you for being so...
Hey.
No, I mean, seriously, that's important. Like, no matter how the public is acting, you know, as long as they're not doing anything wrong, it's important that you're patient with them.
And he hopefully we can work his situation out here for him. That's what we're trying to do.
Yeah, no, it's very important when we see somebody who's actually going and making an effort. You know, that counts so much to the public.
Okay, all right, guys. All right, have a seat. Let me see what I can do.
Still want to call out that girl.
What do you need? Oh, that was your phone. Come on, you got to sign for it. Yeah, 'cause you just left it sitting up on top of that thing. And I seen it.
See, he's recording us. You see that?
Oh yeah, no, it's right.
Print your name here. That's a good thing. And your signature and date.
And he's forgetting that we can FOIA request that. That's public records right there.
No, I want them to be
print here.
It's important. Every interaction with the government officials, whether on their side or our side, should be recorded. That way there's...
Accountability. Accountability.
Video does not
No, look at the clock. Because I'm not supposed to write it down.
Unfortunately, guys, my battery is running down, so I'm going to have to rely on my partner here to cover this story right now.
I'm doing my best.
Okay,
yes.
But
I'm like 15%.
I'm at 50. I'm good.
Okay, yeah, see, I'm 15.
I'll let you hold my camera.
Sure. All right, let me stop this.
But you gotta keep it sideways.
Yeah. I'll put it on the
on the
stick.
Yeah, that's cool.
Just
Make it more
hang on a
stable
second,
anyway.
yeah.
I'm sick of my shit again. That's why I don't like to use my phone. I prefer to use my other thing. But only lasts so long. It's amazing how fast they actually go down.
Oh, yeah. Especially when you're doing a live stream. Yeah, he looks like him.
I didn't know that you were still working.
Here, put it in here.
Oh, there you go. God. Best by 3 May. Why is this stuff so nasty now? Oh my God. Here, just drink. Oh no.
Is this live or not? Not live.
I don't do live, man. Because I like to edit my stuff, you know? I find the audience is a lot more,
Well, I told you why I do live because of my experience.
No, I understand. But I find that the audience themselves, like if I want views, people to watch, they like it a lot more. First off, clear, alright? Secondly, like they like edited so you bring in the good stuff without a whole bunch of wait time in between, you know? That's why, like the audit we did over there, that's why, like, I don't know if you noticed, there's a bunch cut out. It's edited all tight, but that's because I took only the stuff that I thought people would want to hear.
You mean at the Houston Permitting Center?
Yeah.
Okay.
Remember, we were there for like almost, like 40 minutes?
Yeah.
And I turned it into a 17-minute video. Yeah, you gotta cut a lot out though, but it's totally worth it.
Me, I bring it raw and uncut.
And that's cool, but that's, and I don't mean this in a bad way,
And
but I
that's
see
also good
Foxtrots, I see yours, I see a lot of others that only do lives, and their fucking subscription status is really low, man. You know, and I get what you're saying, because
I'm
lives...
not as good as you at doing the editing and all that stuff.
God, dude, I just started doing it 2 weeks ago. I've never done it before.
I know. Well, you know what to do with that, you know. But when I'm dealing with these people, I don't, you know, again, based on my experience. I used to do this, remember? And then they did what they did to me, and I decided not anymore. I'm going to be live all the time.
No, and I get that. Don't get me wrong. I get it totally. But that's
I
why
would have had the video footage of it.
That's why what I'm doing now is I'm doing where I have this usually set up to where I can push one button and it goes live, and I'll have it like a shirt pocket right here. Alright, but mostly I use that, and if I get myself in a situation where like, oh shit, I gotta go live right now, I just hit that one button and it's good. But that way I'm still doing most of the work with the normal camera, you know? Hey, if I wanna go use the restroom, I gotta go to the metal detector? Yes, sir. Alright. I'm gonna leave this here. I gotta go pee-pee. Sure I got nothing on me. Well, nobody's still peeing, huh?
You gotta take your shoes off. And your belt.
I know, right? These courts suck. I know. It's crazy.
This is like the third time I had to take my shoes off today, man.
I'm telling you.
You see these military boots? They're not easy to break off.
I hate dealing with these courts and places like this.
Oh, man, I feel so free like this. That's sarcasm, of course, because there's nothing free feeling about having to take off and get undressed just to fucking walk to a restroom. That was angry. Alright, man. I'm walking through, man.
I wonder when you use the restroom, and you know you have to take your shoes off. Go in the rain and do what it's gonna have to do. She's with me.
See that?
Some are more special than others.
I'm telling you. And we pay for this damn building. And they work for us. Yet we're treated like we're the servants.
In reality, kind of are these days. The laws are set up to promote the financial corporations of America, not the people. Hell, most cities are built off incorporation. They're all incorporated if you ever notice. And hell, most of them, like the small cities, they get 50% of their revenue from speeding tickets. You know, if it wasn't for speeding tickets, their city hall would fall under, and they wouldn't be able to support themselves.
Absolutely.
So
If it wasn't for extortion and exploitation.
That's called policing for profit.
Okay.
It's
If it wasn't for revenue generation.
That's right.
And their kangaroo courts for profits only.
If we got rid of
all the
every
corruption
person-
and blackmail.
If we got rid of every person in Harris County that was in there for a simple drug possession charge, we'd get rid of 50% of them right there. Of course, then we wouldn't have
Victimless
a
crimes.
bunch of people. We wouldn't have a bunch of people paying into the system at that point if we did that.
You mean the shit stomach?
It's a corrupt individual system. I'll be honest. If we were to look at our founding fathers, and they were to look at the laws in place today and the systems.
The
that are
laws are designed for the corrupt politicians.
I'll be honest. I guarantee you, our founding fathers would not approve of our country today. There's absolutely no way.
Yeah.
How could anybody support a country that says it's free, but at the same time take away your right to do with what you want with your body? You know, if I want to smoke weed, that's my personal right, right?
They're trying to deprive you of
Yeah, absolutely.
a God-given right.
See, as I was saying all that cool stuff, notice they didn't want to hear what I was having to say. That's true, and that's the problem.
Of course,
most people,
the truth is hard, but must be spoken. It's bitter, but must be spoken.
Most people do not want their grand illusion shattered. If
Absolutely.
you shatter their illusion, you've destroyed their world.
Absolutely.
You understand? And that's not a good thing. All right, I'm gonna come back in a minute. As soon as I see something, I gotta go smoke a cigarette. I gotta go get my nicotine on. If I can find somebody with some lighter or something.
I'm gonna need backup because I believe this guy out here, this sergeant, yes, with those papers.
I think you're alright. No, I'm gonna go. Don't worry, I got your back, bro. You know I'm gonna run in here the second I see something.
Yeah, and
I
I'm
want to
glad
make
he's
sure.
up there.
I just want to go smoke a cigarette right quick.
All right.
I'm gonna leave my camera in here. It's charging right now, so.
Talk about involuntary servitude. That's what we're dealing with out here.
Yes, you don't have a lighter like that.
No, I don't even smoke.
Smarter than me. Smarter than me. I'll give you.
Whoa. Yeah. There you go. Just bring her back to me.
All right, man. I appreciate it. Thanks so much. I'll make sure you get it back.
All right.
Miss Jackson, do this one. And then, okay, come on, man, so you can get it over here.
Sure.
Give me your ticket. Okay, now put your initial in there. Yeah, that's 24. Put your initial. Wait a minute, you got another one. Oh, they were together.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hey, they're going back through some records, trying to find exactly
That's
what
okay.
occurred and all that. They'll keep me informed.
Right, like I said, I gave you two of their names already, Jay Barty, who is a canine officer, and Jay Salinas. The other two, I know, I can identify them.
And she'll come back down and talk to you.
All right. The same lady who approached me in a violent manner,
You what?
the same lady who approached me and tried to snatch.
I didn't see that part. When she comes back down, she passed to me. If you feel comfortable
Yeah.
you feel comfortable dealing with
Yeah, I
me,
prefer not to deal with that tyrant. He's armed and dangerous.